In the world of custom cars, it's rare to see a forgotten French econobox turn into a showstopper, but that's exactly what happened when Justin Cashmore, a Navy vet with a passion for quirky builds, transformed a rusted 1960 Renault Dauphine into a high-performance mid-engine monster. What started as a dusty relic from the past is now one of the most impressive custom builds, making waves at the SEMA 2024 show. The Renault Dauphine, launched in 1956, was once a popular economy car in Europe and North America, earning the nickname Queen of the Road. But by the 1960s, its fame had faded, and many of these compact vehicles disappeared into history. Few car enthusiasts still recognize the Dauphine, but one man's vision changed that completely. Enter Justin Cashmore, who stumbled upon a rusted Dauphine on Facebook Marketplace. Despite its poor condition, he saw something special in this old French car. The vehicle was beyond restoration, so Cashmore took the bold decision to not just restore it, but to radically transform it into something entirely new, a mid-engine custom with the soul of a race car. The first step was building a completely new chassis from scratch, designed to accommodate a mid-mounted driveline. Inspired by the dimensions of a Mk4 VW Golf, the chassis was engineered to be both lightweight and strong, with custom double-O-arm suspension and a unique pushrod system, using dampers sourced from a Yamaha R1 street bike. This bespoke frame created a perfect foundation for what would become one of the most exciting custom cars in recent memory. The body of the Dauphine, though still recognizable, was heavily modified to fit the new chassis. Large carbon fiber wheel arches were added to give it a more aggressive stance, and the original rear-mounted engine was swapped for a 2.8-liter 24-valve VR6 engine from a Mk4 Golf GTI. Despite only a few tweaks, such as a custom intake and exhaust system, the engine's 230 horsepower feels more than enough in a car that weighs only around 2,000 pounds. With its low weight and near-perfect weight distribution, Brut lives up to its name. The car's performance is blistering, and its handling is sharper than anyone could have imagined for a 1960s econobox. To further enhance its unique character, Cashmore relocated the steering column to the right side of the car, inspired by his time stationed in Japan during his Navy career. A large radiator was also mounted inside the cockpit, where the rear bench used to be, and a custom air induction system was fabricated to keep the engine cool. After countless hours of work and ingenuity, Brut was born. With its patina-style baby blue paint and custom wheels, the car became an instant sensation at the 2024 SEMA show, taking home the Pit Plus Paddock and Ineos Oil SEMA Show Car Contest Award. This victory earned Cashmore an all-expenses-paid trip to Las Vegas, where Brut captured the attention of both the public and the media. Today, Brut is a testament to the creativity and dedication of Justin Cashmore. This once-forgotten French car is now a one-of-a-kind custom that combines the charm of a vintage Renault with the raw power of a modern sports car. It's a true example of how passion and skill can turn even the most unlikely candidates into automotive icons.